Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a soft, moist and utterly delicious cream cheese raisins cake. So for the first step, you need to soak your raisins in orange juice or any juice of your choice. Let them sit for at least 30 minutes so they absorb all that flavor. Next, let's cream together the butter, cream cheese and sugar. Beat the mixture over medium speed until it's light and fluffy. This is actually the base for our creamy texture. Now add in the eggs one at a time. Mixing well after each addition, this ensures a smooth and consistent batter. Now it's time to sift in the dry ingredients, our all-purpose flour and baking powder. Along with that, add the almond meal for a rich and nutty flavor. Gently fold them into the wet mixture but avoid overmixing. Now remove the raisins from the leftover liquid. Add 1 tablespoon of flour, give it a gentle mix and fold it in the prepared batter. Pour the batter into greased and lined cake tins. Smooth the top for even baking. Repeat the same process with the other lined cake tin. Pop them into a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius and bake for about 50 to 60 minutes. Your kitchen will smell heavenly by now. Once baked, let the cake cool completely before slicing. Just look at those soft, moist layers packed with juicy raisins. Your cream cheese raisin cake is ready to serve and is perfect for any occasion. It's rich, creamy and very satisfying. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you in the next video. Bye bye.